Steel fabrication and repair jobs are never too large or small for the JP Marshall team. Every month, the family-operated company handles more than 350 machining and fabrication projects for a wide range of industries. The engineering and maintenance service is managed by a professional, innovative and dedicated team who work one-on-one with clients and adapt to their unique needs. A complete service means JP Marshall can reliably handle jobs from start to finish, giving faster turnaround, the best quality and total accountability. JP Marshall's 5 workshops are spread over a 20,000 square metre site, allowing for fabrication of a wide range of equipment for the construction, manufacturing, cement, grain and bulk material handling industries. JP Marshall's in-house design and detailing team has experience and knowledge in a wide variety of industries. They design and build one-off projects to their customers' specific requirements. Specialising in production of helical products, including design of screw conveyors, JP Marshalls has set itself apart in their industry with turnkey solutions tailored to suit any requirement. A proud tradition of engineering excellence using the latest technology is the cornerstone of success and longevity at JP Marshall. Marshall Profiling's fully equipped plate processing facility ensures a fast, flexible turnaround and products of the highest standard. A mix of leading edge and traditional technologies means clients enjoy the best of all worlds. Marshall Profiling's pressing and forming capabilities complement both the plate and sheet processing handled on site. Every JP Marshall client is at the top of the priority list with the 100% workmanship guarantee, meaning they enjoy the best job on time, every time.